Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to walk you through the process of getting started with the revolutionary eSIM service for travelers. eSIM is electronic SIM, which means that you don't need to have physical SIM. Whether you are an iPhone user or Android user, I have got you covered. Airalo is global service. Let me first of all take you to the App Store. Of course, you can use Android Store also if you are using Android. And here is Airalo eSIM Internet and Travel. So here I'll be opening the app. I'll just skip the introduction here. Ask app not to track my activity. In the first page, which is store, you can buy the local SIM. Local SIM means that if I'm traveling to Netherlands, so I'll be choosing Netherlands and that particular package will be only available in this particular country. And if you are using regional SIM, so you can use the regional SIM for Asia, Africa, or other regions. And if you are using global SIM, same package can be used in more than 134 countries. I will be going for the local SIM. I'm traveling to Azerbaijan, so I'll be just checking here, Azerbaijan. These are three different options for the data package. But before going into it, I'll be just signing up. So I'll be logging in with existing account or signing up with the account. So you can use the user ID and password. Otherwise, you can log in with Apple ID, Facebook ID, or Google account. So here I have signed up with my Google account. Existing eSIMs will be available here, but I'll be going to store and I'll be buying my Azerbaijan eSIM. Buy now. Now, the moment you tap in buy now, you can see there are three packages available. So I'll be going for the first package, of course, which is 1 GB. The moment I connect to eSIM, so I'll be getting backcell network, which is 4G, and it will be data only. KYC is not required for this case. I'll be buying it for US dollars 7 for 1 week. You can use AirPay, PayPal, credit or debit card. I'll be choosing PayPal, so I can use Air Money, which is available to me right now. Complete the order here. So I'll be choosing my PayPal account here. My payment is now ready. So I can tap on view eSIM. eSIM installation instructions are here. If you go to settings of your phone, I have all the eSIMs available here and some of the eSIMs are off. So I'll be adding the Airalo eSIM here. You will just go to my eSIMs which are available here, go to details and here view the eSIM installation instructions. You have to read the instructions. First of all, maintain the access to the stable internet connection. When you're configuring the eSIM, once you activate, do not delete the eSIM. So there are three ways to install this. If you are on the same phone, so you can simply use the direct method of installing it. Otherwise, you can use the QR code and QR code can be shared to other phone and from there you can activate it. Otherwise, there is a manual way also, depends on device. So I'll be using direct method. I'm using iPhone, which is equipped with the eSIM. So I'll be using here install eSIM, activate eSIM. I'll just continue. You can see here an eSIM from TIM is ready to be activated on your phone. So I'll be tapping next. This will not, of course, activate the package. This is just activating the eSIM on this device because this eSIM will be now available on my device. I'll not be adding it right now. You'll see here that your eSIM has been successfully installed. So if I go back here, you can see here that this is a travel SIM which I have already activated. The moment I travel, right now it is turned off. The moment I land, I'll be just tapping in here and I'll be just turning on this line. Instead of waiting at airport and getting the SIM cards and getting the data and all of that, you can easily activate your eSIM with the help of Airalo. So I have provided the link. Once you download, you will get $3 extra. So you can use that $3 to activate your eSIM. I hope this video has helped you. If it has helped you, please share it with others. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in next video. Take care and goodbye.